Cocoa beans enter long conveyors, starting a controlled industrial flow inside the chocolate factory. Automated systems sort cocoa beans carefully, removing debris to protect downstream processing stages. Cleaned cocoa beans move steadily toward roasting drums, preparing flavor development through heat. Beans tumble inside rotating roasters, where temperature slowly transforms raw cocoa character. Roasted beans cool gradually on steel lines, stabilizing aroma before mechanical breakdown begins. Cracking machines break cocoa shells apart, separating valuable nibs from unwanted husks. Airflow systems lift away husks, isolating cocoa nibs for precise chocolate production. Cocoa nibs grind into thick liquid mass, releasing natural cocoa butter during milling. Liquid chocolate flows through steel channels, maintaining consistency before particle refinement. Refining rollers reduce particle size, creating smoother texture essential for finished chocolate. Sugar and milk enter blending systems, balancing flavor while controlling viscosity. Conching machines knead chocolate slowly, removing acidity and rounding flavor profiles. Extended conching refines aroma further, smoothing texture through sustained mechanical motion. Refined chocolate exits conching, flowing steadily toward precise tempering systems. Tempered chocolate moves forward evenly, ready for shaping inside automated molding lines. Tempered chocolate enters molding machines, filling cavities with controlled volume and steady flow. Vibration tables shake molds gently, removing trapped air to ensure clean chocolate surfaces. Filled molds travel through cooling tunnels, allowing chocolate structure to stabilize evenly. Cooling temperatures drop gradually, preventing cracks while locking internal crystal alignment. Solidified chocolate releases from molds, maintaining shape and surface gloss. Robotic arms lift molded pieces, transferring them smoothly onto conveyor lines. Chocolate pieces pass inspection systems, where cameras detect surface or shape defects. Approved chocolate continues forward, while rejected units divert for controlled reprocessing. Wrapped chocolate enters packaging lanes, aligning precisely for high-speed sealing. Packaging machines enclose each piece, protecting flavor and preventing moisture exposure. Sealed products move through date coding systems, marking traceable production information. Finished packages group together, preparing for automated boxing operations. Robotic packers load boxes efficiently, maintaining consistent orientation and weight. Sealed cartons advance toward palletizing zones, completing primary production flow. Palletized chocolate exits the line, ready for controlled storage and global distribution. Pallet conveyors carry finished cartons forward, guiding output toward controlled warehouse entry. Automated scanners verify pallet labels, confirming batch accuracy and shipment readiness. Warehouse systems assign storage zones, balancing temperature stability and inventory rotation. Pallets settle into racking lanes, preserving chocolate quality before outbound scheduling. Order signals trigger retrieval robots, activating synchronized warehouse movement. Pallets descend from storage, merging smoothly into outbound conveyor channels. Shipping lines organize loads, matching destinations with transport requirements. Quality logs update automatically, linking final products to upstream process data. Temperature controls remain active, protecting chocolate structure during holding periods. Dock systems prepare trucks, aligning pallets for efficient loading sequences. Automated loaders place cartons precisely, maximizing space and transit stability. Sealed trucks depart facilities, extending factory processes beyond production walls. Distribution networks carry chocolate globally, maintaining consistency from plant to shelf. Every shipment reflects synchronized operations across machines, data, and logistics. The chocolate process completes here, where controlled systems deliver finished perfection. Production data synchronizes across systems, closing the manufacturing loop with verified outcomes. Operators monitor dashboards, confirming every chocolate unit meets defined process standards. Automated reports archive performance, preserving traceability for future production cycles. Cleaning protocols activate, resetting lines for the next manufacturing sequence. Sanitation systems flush equipment, removing residues to protect flavor integrity. Maintenance checks follow, ensuring machines remain calibrated for consistent output. Sensors recalibrate quietly, restoring precision before raw materials return. Idle conveyors stand ready, marking transition between completed and upcoming batches. Factory lighting shifts, signaling production phase closure across departments. Control rooms finalize logs, locking data into the facility history. Supply teams prepare inputs, aligning schedules for continuous chocolate flow. Upstream deliveries approach, reconnecting raw cocoa to refined systems. Process readiness indicators turn green, authorizing the next production start. The factory resets completely, balancing speed, accuracy, and controlled repetition. Chocolate manufacturing continues endlessly, driven by systems refined through every cycle. Fresh cocoa enters the system again, restarting the chocolate process from its origin. Intake conveyors guide beans forward, maintaining controlled flow into production. Inspection systems scan materials, confirming quality before processing continues. Sorting mechanisms engage smoothly, removing defects without slowing factory rhythm. Approved beans advance together, forming a stable foundation for chocolate creation. Thermal systems prepare ahead, readying equipment for precise roasting stages. Roasting chambers stabilize temperature, ensuring uniform heat across every batch. Beans enter rotating drums, beginning controlled transformation through heat. Internal reactions develop flavor, driven by time, motion, and temperature balance. Roasted beans exit steadily, signaling completion of critical flavor development. Cooling conveyors reduce heat, protecting structure before mechanical separation. Cracking systems engage next, opening shells to access cocoa interiors. Airflow channels remove husks, isolating clean nibs for grinding. Separated nibs advance forward, carrying concentrated cocoa potential. The process transitions onward, linking raw origin to refined chocolate form. Grinding units activate slowly, converting cocoa nibs into flowing chocolate mass. Friction and pressure release oils, forming smooth liquid cocoa paste. Pipes guide chocolate forward, maintaining constant temperature and viscosity. Refining rollers reduce particles, improving texture through repeated compression cycles. The chocolate becomes finer, preparing for balanced flavor integration. Measured ingredients enter carefully, aligning sweetness and milk proportions. Mixing systems combine elements, building consistency across the chocolate flow. Conching machines work slowly, smoothing texture and releasing aroma compounds. Extended motion removes acidity, stabilizing flavor through controlled agitation. Refined chocolate exits conching, signaling readiness for final structure. Tempering systems adjust temperature, forming stable cocoa butter crystals. Controlled cooling and heating secure gloss, snap, and shelf stability. Tempered chocolate advances forward, ready for precise shaping. Molding lines receive chocolate, defining form through calibrated cavities. The process completes its loop, transforming raw cocoa into finished chocolate.